Daniel O'Brien here from Chicken Caravan. Today I want to show you the brand new Chicken Caravan Brooder box. This is it here. So this is when you want to brood some chickens. So I'll just open up the lid here. It's on a gas strut, so it'll open up automatically and stay open. And in here you've got plenty of room to hang a couple of drinkers, a feeder, and have your chick plate. So we've got a few little chickens in there on the sawdust shavings. And I'll show you a few of the features of this brooder box. So one of the things we have here, we've got, you could call it a viewing area or an air vent at the front of the Chicken Caravan brooder box. So it's got mesh, so the chickens obviously can't get out, but it can allow airflow to go in and also just to view the chickens. You've got a lid that opens up the entire area, so you've got very easy access to service the feed and the water and the chick plate. The way we've organised the hanging system is a little bit unique. We didn't want to have it locked in where you can only hang certain items in a certain area. So we've got these rails that can slide the full length of the brooder box, and then with just a simple hook system you can move the feeder left or right, and with the chain you can move it up and down. So it's very easy and versatile to move your feeders or drinkers exactly where you want them. We didn't attach them on the underside of the lid because that wouldn't be very practical when you want to open the lid. So it comes with 3 chains and the hooks, so you can do 2 drinkers and a feeder like we've got. There's plenty of room in here to use a chick plate. So this is a heated chick plate where the chicks can go under. So this chick plate here services about 40 chickens. You can put a bigger chick plate in there that can do up to 50. An area like this can probably do between 40 and 80 chickens depending on their age. It'll do 80-day-olds, but as they get older, they may require more room. So if you want to do 80 chickens up to 3 weeks of age, you may look at getting 2 brooders like this. The brooder itself has legs on it, but if you're in a situation where you don't want to use the legs, you can simply sit it on the floor or up on a bench. So those legs can be removed with the bolts, but it's at a good height where you can get into the top of it. It's got a good amount of depth in the brooder itself, so you can put a sawdust floor and the chicks aren't going to fly out. You've got your plywood lid that you can close down and your chicks are nice and safe inside.